Hello guys, welcome to Charts and Chai. And in this video, I'm going to show my last 2 year P&L of both of my account. ये जीरोदा का है और एक और काइट का है. तो I started trading back in 2023. तो 23 अप्रैल से I will go till 2024 मार्च पूरा फाइनेंशियल ईयर का. And segment is FNO. So as I said, started trading in 26 July with a very small 10k capital, made a loss of two two days back to back, and I was able to take my account to 17k. Then whole year went like this. Every June started, made 17, August, September, October, November, December, Jan was the biggest, made the biggest loss. Then Feb also same, and March. So overall it was 1.2 lakh. And if I go to next year, which is 24 to 25, so around this time I started trading in Dhan account. I thought of changing the broker would change my destiny. तो यहाँ पर first day itself I made a 12k of loss, and then this loss. Then around this time I traded in Dhan. Then again यहाँ पर, so actually November December में we get our bonus and also I started trading with more capital here, and then overall this year's loss is also same, around 1.1 lakh. And then I stopped trading here during this time. Maybe I might have traded in Dhan. So overall 1.8. And last year, if I were to show complete last two financial year, it is around 2.32 lakh. Okay, moving on to Dhan account. So Dhan account, you can see 23 to 24, I did not trade as I was trading in Zerodha. I'll move to 24-25, and the losses becomes 4.5 lakh. So my most profitable day was 12,000. My most loss day would be around 1 lakh. I don't know, which was in yeah, I don't know. So yeah, this is year by year month by month loss, as you can see. So total loss was 3.5, and ये taxes and charges हैं 1 lakh के. So which took my net PNL to 4.5 lakh. So as you can see, पूरा मार्च से लेकर अप्रैल तक none of the month was positive. If you go month on month basis, it's all negative. If you go week by week basis, so week by week basis also, I was not counting. I was only going on with day by day basis. कि अच्छा जैसे अप्रैल में चालू किया, अच्छा 900 का प्रॉफिट हुआ, और यहाँ पर देखोगे छोटा मोटा प्रॉफिट हुआ, तो आई वॉज फाइन. So I was trading with very small capital initially, and then around December and all time I started trading with large capital. So initial of the year you will see कि छोटे मोटे losses हैं और छोटा मोटा profit है. One big loss would be there every month. Yeah, this one was the biggest loss I made, which was during बीजेपी जीती थी जब, या कुछ इलेक्शन डे था दैट डे. सो आई मेड अ बिगेस्ट लॉस in this day. So then I took some break around this time, and then started trading again uh, in December. And yeah, I was trading with 30, 40,000, 30,000 max, 40,000, because I was still convinced that I'm still learning, and my biggest loss of a day, uh, as I told you, 1 lakh, and 45,000 तक भी गया, 46,000, एंड बिगेस्ट प्रॉफिट तो इज जस्ट 12,000। तो मेरे अंदर था कि एक दिन 1 लाख का भी प्रॉफिट करूंगा मैं, एक दिन आएगा वो 1 लाख का भी प्रॉफिट करूंगा मैं। देख सकते हो कि पूरे पूरे मंथ रेड है, यहाँ पर 22 सारा नेगेटिव है। देन मूविंग ऑन टू 25, 26 इज अगेन अ लॉस, बट माई मोस्ट प्रॉफिटेबल डे वॉज 91,000। यहाँ पर जब एक क्रैश आया था बिकॉज ऑफ सम एआई न्यूज़ और ट्रेड न्यूज़, तो एक क्रैश आया था जिससे आई मेड गुड प्रॉफिट इन अप्रैल, बट वो भी पूरा उड़ा दिया था। सो दिस डे आई हैव अ वीडियो अपलोडेड इन दिस चैनल वेर आई मेड 20x ऑफ माई कैपिटल। सो यहाँ पर सिर्फ 5 और 7 के डिप्लॉयड था, विच टर्नड इनटू 1.1 लाख, एंड देन एक दो और ट्रेड करके मैंने उसको 92 पे डे क्लोज किया था। बट आई मैनेज टू close this month on a break even itself. You can see 30,000 of loss, 25,000 in a day, and again 35,000. So two 30,000 and 25,000, so and 23,000, so पूरा जो प्रॉफिट था पूरा चले गया था। एज यू कैन सी हियर कि आई हैव नॉट लर्नड टू मेरे कैपिटल को बचा के रख पाना मैं नहीं सीख पाया था यहाँ तक। अगर 1 साल में सीख पाया होता तो ये जो मैंने फर्स्ट डे पे ही प्रॉफिट किया था इसको मैं होल्ड कर पाता। एंड एज यू कैन सी इन द नेक्स्ट मंथ्स ऑल्सो कि आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू बी प्रॉफिटेबल यहाँ पर। सो ईच एंड एवरी मंथ इज लॉस। जनवरी की स्टोरी इज समथिंग एल्स। सो जनवरी की स्टोरी ऐसी है कि दिसंबर, एज यू कैन सी आई हैव नॉट ट्रेडेड इन दीज डेज बिकॉज आई वॉज अवे। I went to Vipassana for 10 days and I have not traded. And when I came back, so in January I started with only 20,000 of capital, and I took a challenge to double it, and I managed to triple it. So with 20,000, if you see my day by day of Jan, 15th, 1500, 3,700, 4,200, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 2,000. So small losses or not that big losses, and small wins or average wins, which took my capital from 20k to 60k, because here also I made decent profit. So till this point I made my capital from 20 to 40 to 60k, and then very next day I lost 32,000. I lost 32,000, and this broke my heart because 20,000 से मैंने 60,000 लेके गया था यहाँ तक मैं, पूरा Jan month and Feb month. I thought I have learned trading, but then this loss and then some profit, and there will be one more big loss because वो मेरे को हजम नहीं हुआ अभी, ये वाला लॉस इस पूरे मंथ हजम नहीं हुआ था। So then I wrote something on my whiteboard that one big loss can take you to, एक बड़ी गलती बहुत बहुत आपको बहुत पीछे ले जाती है। सो दिस बिग लॉस अगेन। सो टिल दिस पॉइंट मैंने सीखा नहीं था कि कमाना तो सीख गया बट उसको बचा के रख पाना नहीं सीखा। एज यू कैन सी आई मैनेज टू गेट 40,000 till here, and then lost 86,000 in next month itself, and then March. So March मैंने या दिस वाज अगेन अ बिग बिग डे वेयर BTST में मेरा इतना प्रॉफिट हुआ, बट if you see again, the very next day I managed to lose it all. See, 73 on 2nd March, and sorry, yeah, 73 on 2nd March, and then 4th March, 63 of loss, 63,000 out of 73, 63,000 of loss on the very next day. So yeah, मैंने मैनेज कमाना तो सीख गया था. एज आई सेड कि ये 1 लाख तक भी गया था, जो मेरा प्रीवियस ईयर 1 लाख का लॉस था, बट स्टिल आई प्रिजर्व करना नहीं सीख पाया था यहाँ तक. मे बी आई माइट हैव लर्न इन दिस फाइनेंशियल ईयर, वो मैं बाद में बताऊँगा, विच इज़ अ सरप्राइज. बट या ओवरऑल देखें तो 24-25 is like 4.5 lakh of loss. 25 to 6 is again 4.5. Overall 8.8 something हो रहा है, 8.9. But something changed in financial year 25-26 in this April and May month itself, which I will show you later, because it's a good news. So overall if you see, यहाँ पर धन के अकाउंट में 8.8 लाख ऑफ लॉस, एंड इस वाले में 2.3. सो ओवरऑल 10 प्लस लाख ऑफ लॉस I have taken in last 2 year of my trading journey. And yeah, that's a struggle a trader has to go through, and it takes a lot of mental capacity to live with this much of loss. And I'm just a normal person. I have one job, getting one salary, trying to figure out trading. Thank you guys, keep supporting me. Comment down if you have any question. Feel free to ask any question if you have any doubt, and stay tuned for this year of my journey. I'll post my journey. I wanted to post right now, because today is what I'm recording this video on 20th May, and I have managed to cover quite a big chunk of my loss, uh, but I don't want to show it right away. uh, I want to show my PNL at a decent, I'll show you one day with some good green. Thank you.